Stars who ended up in the adult film industry. Number 1. Farrah Abraham. Farrah Abraham first became known from Teen Mom, but later shocked fans by stepping into the adult film world. That move completely changed her image and turned her into one of reality TV's most controversial names. Number 2. Jamie Foxworth. Jamie Foxworth was once known as Judy Winslow on Family Matters. After her acting career faded, she entered the adult industry, surprising fans who remembered her as a sitcom child star from a major TV hit. Number 3. Maitland Ward. Maitland Ward was best known for Boy Meets World before taking a dramatic turn into the adult film industry. Her transformation stunned longtime fans and made her one of the most unexpected stars to reinvent herself that way. Number 4. Sasha Grey. Sasha Grey became famous through the adult industry, but later crossed into mainstream entertainment and celebrity culture. Her name stayed widely recognized because she blurred the line between adult fame and Hollywood visibility.